excited to share with you about our workshop section for all teachers. This is a collection of a variety of different workshops to help every teacher be successful in the classroom. Whether you are a new teacher or a veteran teacher, there are workshops for you. The workshops are led by a variety of different teachers who have been successful in the classroom and have a passion for teaching others. Teaching workshops will help give you practical tips to use right away in your classroom. Let's go explore together.
To access the workshop resource, you will need to be logged into the teacher portal. You can select the Resource tab here and then select Library. To access the upcoming workshop schedule, click on the Dino banner. If you are a new teacher, I recommend clicking on the Workshop Introduction. This will give you an introduction on what are the workshops and also go over the workshop categories to help you. Then, once you've read the introduction, you can click on the workshop calendar. There are a variety of different ways to sort the workshops that are upcoming. First of all, you can select workshop for this week or for next week. You can also select a category. If you're a new teacher, go ahead and select the new teacher workshops. Down here, you will see a variety of different workshops and the time and the date. Once you find one that is interesting, you can click Register.
We just reviewed how to see upcoming workshops and register for them. There's also a place in the teacher library where you can find recordings of past workshops. These are nice to be able to find immediate tips and tricks for the topic you are interested in learning about. Let's go explore these together.
To find those recorded workshops, we will start at the library page. You can click Workshop Resources or scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you see the section Workshop Resources. Let's click on the More button to see all of the available resources. At the top, you will see several different options. If you are a new teacher, go ahead and click the New Teacher Workshops. There are so many wonderful videos to help you with things such as TPR, student engagement, and time management. To view a workshop, click on the picture, and then you will gain access. These are workshops focusing on areas that are priority for parents. The workshop includes topics like supplementary tools, teacher output, tips for correcting errors, and many more helpful workshops. These workshops will help you reach your full potential and become a 5-star teacher. Next, let's go to the level-based workshop. These are workshops geared toward a specific level. The workshops provide an overview of the level and also tips and tricks to help you be successful in teaching each level. These workshops usually go over what a student is like in each level. This is a great resource for new teachers and teachers who are starting a new level certification. The final section of the workshop resource folder is the monthly workshop tab. Let's click and see. Each month, a new topic is discussed. You can look back on some of the recent workshops that were developed to strengthen the skills of our community of teachers. The topics differ each month. Some of the previous monthly workshops include topics about how to become a better teacher or how to adapt to different learning styles, and much more.
I found the workshops so helpful for me as a teacher, and I hope that you find them just as helpful. The workshop resources are always adding new and exciting new workshops, so be sure to check back regularly to find new resources. Have fun exploring and learning. Happy teaching!